We know that a third of our crashes happen at night, so we're looking for bright ideas to change that, and here's a great one, this glow road technology that will really see line markings absorb energy during the day and keep drivers safer at night. We're very hopeful that this might have implications around the state, particularly in regional areas. We know we need to keep drivers safer there, and this is a great idea. We've been testing it in the centre of the state, but now we're keen to roll it out statewide. One of the first places we'll try this is Bulli Pass. We've seen a rise there in near misses recently, and we're keen to trial this technology. There's some sharp corners there, some places where drivers have had trouble. That's why we'll apply this technology in Bulli Pass. If it works there, then we're hopeful about rolling it out elsewhere. The early signs as we've tested this technology have been really positive. That's why we're keen to trial this in this specific location and see what it does to people's driving behaviour. We know keeping drivers safe at night is a challenge as they drive around our state. That's why we've been looking for bright ideas. This one is a great one. It's energy efficient. It's a very cheap way to keep drivers safe. That's why we're keen to trial it. We'll be looking at Bulli Pass specifically, but this could have implications right around New South Wales, potentially around the country.